Dear Lord, we got the new champion Wixom.
GG.
Yeah, what a match. Frankly, underrated. Oh, following context is scheduled for 1 fall and is a tag team match. Introducing first from Dresden, Germany, weighing in at 236 pounds. He is the young cub, Jonas Wolf. Yep.
Run off your business, you know what?
The bird of his semen. Jonas, still trying to find some footing here in UWS. Even though I think it's still a win so far. Oh yeah. I might not actually have a win. They're looking to pick one up with by helping his father secure one final victory.
And it's
And introducing his tag team partner from Cologne, Germany, weighing in at 269 pounds. He is Mark Wolf. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, multi-time world champion, I believe former tag team champion as well. Back in OG UWS, which we've lost all through, which is sad. But Mark is just, I think I can see a tear in his eye. I wouldn't blame him.
Jordan's watching his dad over already.
oh, this is good.
Introducing their opponents. First, from Buffalo, New York, weighing in at 236 pounds. He is Jordan Vondura.
First book in the town of champion.
Yep. And I've also heard rumours, this is just a rumour I heard, that Jonas and Jordan are probably going to take over Clothesline Incorporated after their father retired. I mean, don't quote me on it, but it's just a rumour. Who's on the pirate machine this time?
Then that might be
Wasn't him.
maybe not Aiden. Maybe not him. Maybe.
My secret's not a king, and under lock and key. I keep it caged, but I can't control it. Cause if I let him out, tell me up, break me down. Why was I?
It's gonna get annoying.
I say
I'm
Mark.
joking,
Where
dude.
is Jordan? Oh, he's on the outside.
And introducing his tag team partner from Buffalo, New York, weighing in at 280 pounds. He is the Body Bushi Vonduras.
Now this man, he had a life.
The rebel all across the world. Made his debut back in 1995. But still going strong, but now he's decided to call it quits after this match. Well, there's only one. Who's starting for both teams?
Oh.
Jonas for the Wolves. Oh my God!
Oh yeah! Look at that man.
Fucking hell, how tied up is
There
he?
you go. Oh my God.
Oh, big kick immediately from Jonas. Looking for a powerbomb, perhaps.
The old goat letting the new goat soak. Oh,
And Amelia going in for Mark.
Mark wants a taste
Oh,
of
Jordan wants it.
Oh, takedown.
Oh.
As I'm raining shots, but Jordan's got the guard up. Mark, Irish whip. No, pulls him back. Big knee to the gut.
Jordan's not looking good here.
Big stomp to the arm.
Oh!
Oh!
Just beating the shit out of his own porno son.
That's horrible.
Again!
Oh, again!
Oh my god. Bushi, do something. He's beating your son up.
And here comes Jonas. I think Bushi was thinking this will toughen up Jordan.
Trauma builds
Oh!
Trauma builds character.
Father of the year goes to Bushi Vonduras.
Bushi seems to be enjoying his son getting trauma. Oh god!
Oh my god, into the corner!
Oh my god!
He's gonna cover now.
He's
Nothing. One.
Go.
of a long count.
Jordan's gonna be getting his ass handed to him. Big clothesline.
Oh, he's up.
Oh!
He needs to tag
What the
out.
hell is he doing? Oh my god, Jones has been. He sees! I think, he sees Mark's getting attacked. Big shot from Wolf and leg and into Jonas.
It's been all the Wolf lately.
Jonas is nearly the same size as Mark.
Jesus
Oh!
my god!
Jonas is taller than his father.
Oh boy.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
Mark's
no,
6'4", Jonas is 6'7".
That's crazy. Jordan, you need to tag in real dad. Oh, look at this.
Oh, this is just. Oh! Mark descending Jordan flying.
Oh!
And I'm tagging in Jonas.
Oh,
Then I
boy.
realize there goes Bushi.
No. It's Bushi. Oh my god.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Jordan's out on the
Jonas
floor.
Jordan's dead.
Jordan's
Bushi.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. Vondura time.
Bushi
Oh,
just ramming the foot into Jonas's chest or neck. Bushi, what's he thinking? Sending him into the corner.
Will we see Mark and Bushi fight? Oh god.
Oh! Big belly to belly.
Oh.
He's
Mark giving a word of advice to his son, and he got a sledgehammer.
Oh.
Whoa! Oh!
That was small.
You see Mark visibly frustrated that his tag partner would do this.
I mean, they wanted to have this.
Jonas!
Holy crap.
Oh my god! Pick it up, Bushi, like it was nothing! And into another powerbomb! Oh!
The arthritis is kicking into Bushi.
Yes.
Oh.
Somebody prepare the porridge.
He's 49. Big Bushi is
Stop.
49.
Oh god.
Oh!
Slingshot.
Oh, he's going
Mark
for
is
it.
howling to the crowd! Sees Bushi
got
trying to
it.
escape, but howling! Well, no!
Let's Jordan come in. Whoa.
Jordan!
What the?
Whoa! Springboard headbutt from Jordan! And a big knee!
Bushi's doing something on the outside. We can't see him.
Oh. They kicked to the back.
Oh, never mind. He's on the apron. I see him.
Oh, stop.
Yeah, there he is. There's the time.
Oh no, you idiot.
road.
You fired up for a
Holy
moment.
Christ.
Oh! Jordan got sent to the straps. Here comes Jonas.
Oh, the new gens are back in the ring. Oh my god.
Oh, crucifix.
Crucifix, Schreiber, no! Crucifix! What? No, no, they kind of won. Jordan.
Big
Spinebuster!
Oh.
And attacking Mark! But Mark just shakes it off like it was nothing. Big knees from Jordan now. Oh!
That was impressive. Jordan is now fired up. Now he's getting that chance. Backbreaker.
And a raining fist into Jonas's head.
Oh, he powered off.
He's fired up.
Is he gonna tag
No.
out? Yes, he is.
Tagging out the Bushi.
Let his father have some time.
Whoa!
Oh! What the hell happened there?
Oh, Mark's
Here
in.
goes Mark!
Bushi was ready.
Oh, a big drop kick.
That is the
from
fastest
Bushi
I've seen
immediately.
that man run.
Oh, he's always been a runner.
Triple
my-
Oh!
Flag. Strength of Bushi Vondura is kicking in.
Same with the arthritis. So is the arthritis.
Yeah. Oh, but oh my lord.
Probably.
Oh my god.
Probably.
Holy Christ.
Oh! Launching Mark.
Oh, he's bringing his in.
Oh, big jaw tackle from Mark.
You're
Bushi
so
misses with
punching.
a haymaker.
Bushi tried. What's he going for?
They're just chatting to each other.
Oh!
Mark! Michinoku! Driver! He's gonna cover!
One!
One, two!
Kick out.
Kick out from Jordan.
Oh, he kicks now. Holy moly.
And here comes Jonas.
Who do you guys think wins this?
Oh, this is getting.
I don't know. Both men, well, both teams have been going back and forth. Jonas!
Oh!
Rear naked choke! They're rear naked!
Bushi not entering the ring.
Oh,
I think he trusts
Frank
his son.
Jordan.
Oh, big elbows from Jordan.
I swear, I think our commentary corner wants the Vonduras.
Oh, big DT!
What do you mean?
Jonas is bleeding!
I ain't saying nothing. I'm just watching.
Oh!
Oh, attacking me up. Oh my God.
What's he
Jordan.
doing? Whoa.
Not man. It's the rope.
Oh!
Into the cover now.
On the
that
other
it?
side. One.
One.
Kick out
Kick out.
immediately.
Pick up by one.
Jordan. This is that stomp. It's called by Jonas off the ropes now.
Whoa!
Oh! Go for a clothesline of sorts.
Will we see Jordan hit the
Oh!
hitting him off the clothesline?
Will we see,
Like that.
I'm pretty sure Jonas told me, told me that he doesn't want to use the Burning Fang. He wants Mark to keep it.
No, I'm talking about.
Instead, he's going. Instead,
How did you go? How did you get to Jonas? I was talking about fucking Jordan.
yeah, no, you're on about hitting him with. You're talking about him hitting the muscle clothesline. I'm talking about Jonas deciding not to use the Burning Fang. Instead, he uses the Howling Peak. Bushi just Bushi. Oh, Jonas. Oh!
That's one way to make a man throw off last night's dinner.
Oh my God! Still no arm slam! Could this be it?
One.
Two! Kick out on Bushi.
He kicks out.
What a double
The teamwork! Yeah, the teamwork between the wolves. The fans are clearly enjoying this match.
Wrestling.
Understandable.
Up the rope. Oh! What a kick!
I've never seen Mark do that.
Now just raining shot.
That's my first time seeing it.
Oh, he's going for a sledgehammer.
Oh no! I've
Oh!
seen everything. I've seen some shit.
Into the
Cover.
cover.
He could be out.
One, two.
Kick out.
Kick up from Bushi.
He's alive.
Two old men. Big boot.
Big boot!
Oh, what the
Oh,
fuck?
but Bushi kicking him up, giving up.
He's fired up.
What's he thinking?
What are you doing?
Oh god.
Oh, Mark sending him over the
And
top.
out the ring it goes.
Jordan.
Oh no!
Oh, big shot to Jordan.
Jordan.
Oh,
Throwing him into the ring.
Gosh. Oh no! Save your son! Oh no! Save your son! He's saving
Jordan
his
catching
son!
himself. Oh my God.
that's revenge.
That's what you get for beating up a man's
See
son.
what I mean? This guy's biased. What?
What do you mean? The table got
I
was amazing. Leave him alone. He's just staring at him.
Mark
letting
is
him.
gay.
Oh no!
No, again.
Jordan catches it.
Oh,
Big shot. No, Jordan catches it again.
Bushi, enter the ring.
Bushi's trusting his son, but in he goes. Off the ropes. No, into the corner now.
Oh,
Mark! Looking for that rolling elbow! Into the cover!
Jordan's in the ring.
One, two,
Oh,
Jordan trusted his father. And here comes Jonas.
Oh.
No. Eyed up Jordan for a second. Jonas.
Oh!
Oh!
No idea what that looked like a muscle touchdown, but just jumped it.
It looked like a shoulder tackle. From my perspective.
Whoa!
Oh, SDO! In a way, I don't know. Is that an SDO?
He's holding his leg.
Oh no.
I think Jordan might have hurt his leg.
I landed awkwardly.
Probably.
Up the ropes.
Touchdown though.
Jump down.
Oh, he went for the
What
burning
if that
down!
he misses the punting
missed
back?
it. He missed it.
Take it, take the shot! Into the
Bushi
cover
didn't
for Bushi!
Oh, Bushi.
Saving his son! He knows how dangerous the burning fang lariat is!
Jordan rolls out.
Now here comes Jonas.
Oh,
what the-
Oh, big knee from Bushi!
Gotta go ahead.
Again.
And again!
I'm trying to. He's not gonna do it.
Big punch.
Oh.
He's Jordan getting in.
Oh.
Oh my god!
No.
Oh my god! Oh! Lovely offense from
wow.
Jonas. Now,
Again,
now
yeah.
going in,
There's
bringing him
Mark.
Mark.
Oh, Bill.
Oh my god. Oh, super kick!
Oh my god.
What is he doing?
I don't know,
He's
it's
just
in that
trying to
burning fang
put it
lariat.
down. He missed
Oh,
it.
he misses it! Over it again!
Oh my
Oh,
god!
there it is!
God.
Bushi! Bushi! Just watching! 2, 3! Here, winner by pinfall! Jonas and Mark Wolf! The Wolf family! What a way to end off your career, Mark. Feeling a good start and getting the win.